Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 3 of the Dollar General clearance event, and I have so many more deals to share with you all. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, just in case anyone's missed it, I'm going to have all of the Dollar General clearance event videos that I've uploaded so far this week linked in the pinned comment right down below this video. So right down there, you'll find part 1, part 2, and the Dollar General clearance event, everything that you need to know video. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into the paper product deals. Now, I really want to talk to you all about this category because I've seen a lot of people posting about it, and I know that a lot of people are going to be excited and run out first thing Friday morning trying to find all of these paper products. Now, I want to be very, very clear that we had this during the last big clearance event. All of these paper products came out on a list. Some of them rang up an additional 50% off automatically. Some of them had to be adjusted at the register. Now, if I'm remembering correctly, I believe that the majority of the Angel Soft products, as well as the Quilted Northern products, did ring up the additional 50% off automatically at the register. However, I do remember specifically having issues with the Cottonelle and the True Living Bath Tissue. I know that those products were still ringing up full price at the register during the last big clearance event that we had. So I just kind of wanted to give you all a little heads up on that. Now, if you all find these in your clearance section, you're probably good to go. Even if they do ring up full price, if they are in the clearance section with a clearance sticker on there, I'm sure the employees won't have any issues with manually adjusting that down. Now, these 2 Charmins here on the end, I did find these in my clearance section with a clearance sticker, so y'all definitely want to be on the lookout for those and scan, scan, scan. Alright, so now we're going to head on into our household and cleaning category, and I have another product that I kind of need to give y'all a little heads up on, and that is going to be the Tide Simply products. So we have a lot of laundry detergent, and all of these were included in the last big clearance event that had the POG clearance included. These were all on that list. However, some of them did go down to an additional 50% off, and some were still ringing up full price once the clearance event rolled around. So it's just going to be very important. If you find these items, make sure that you scan, scan, scan. Alright, so now that we have all of that out of the way, I'm going to turn on a little bit of background music, and I'll be back with y'all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we are already about halfway through this video, and I just wanted to take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me. If you haven't already, right now would be the perfect time to do that, because that is a quick and easy way that y'all can help support this channel. Now, I got a good laugh the other day because somebody was asking for my Cash App or Venmo, and while I really do appreciate it, I do not want to take any kind of donations or anything like that. All I ask is that y'all hit the thumbs up and leave those smiles down in the comment section below, and I will keep bringing you all this information for completely free. All right, now let's get back into the deals, and let's take a look at our oral care coupon matchups. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at our hair care clearance category, and again, we do have quite a few coupon matchups making items super cheap or free, and we do have some new POG clearance items to look out for as well. So y'all keep in mind that your stores may or may not be marked with those POG clearance tags, and your store may have already moved those clearance items over into the clearance section. I know at one of my stores they have already removed all of those POG clearance items and put them in a big buggy up at the front near the registers. So it's really just going to depend on your store and what they decide to do. Alright guys, so we made it to our last category for this video, and we're going to take a quick look at the soap clearance. Now we do have a couple of coupon matchups for this category, as well as a couple of new items that y'all want to be on the lookout for. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and give y'all a heads up that you want to come back and check out my channel throughout the weekend, because I will be posting more deals in the community tab, and I may even be also making some of those YouTube shorts videos. Those are just like a minute long or less, so I may be posting a couple of those as well as I get time throughout the day and throughout the weekend when I find more deals while I'm out shopping. Alright guys, so it looks like we made it to the end of part 3 of our DG clearance event videos. So I hope you all enjoyed these videos. I hope that it helped you to prepare, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab up a ton of awesome deals during this clearance event. Now again, if you missed out on watching part 1 or part 2, I would highly recommend that you guys go back and check those out because there are more deals and more coupon matchups in both of those videos. So like I said, I'm going to have all of my Dollar General clearance event videos linked in the pinned comment right down below this video. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed these videos, and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your clearance shopping this weekend. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I really don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then please take a second and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.